Alright, for this video I'm going to focus on single digit addition. So if you have, let's say we're going to add 3 plus 1. So we're going to have our touch points on here that we learned about in the last video. And then the expectation is that students will count 1, 2, 3, 4. They don't need to draw touch points on the answer because that is the answer. The goal would also be to fade out touch points so that the students aren't utilizing touch points because they are just like an additional visual prompt. But if the student needs them, then that's the prompting that we're using. So I'll do a couple more without double touches, just to get the idea. In the last video I said I usually start from the top down. I also typically start left to right. Sometimes with 5s I start here. But to be consistent, really we should be starting here. But it is okay, whichever one they want to start at, just starting at the top. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. As often as I can, I like for the student to write the answer, just to show that they understand what the problem, how the problem is set up. So I think you understand the single digit without double touch, with just single touch. So it does get a little bit more complicated when you're doing the double touch, just because you have to remember to touch those doubles twice. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. As students progress through this, may also start fading out the touch points on the top number. So if the student can identify that this is the number 7, then they should be able to count on. So 7, 8, 9. So that's where we begin when we start fading out those touch points. So that is single digit addition.